Okay, in this example, we need to use
Well, he might have
an
a shot here to develop the blue, which again is something that will be
to determine an exact
in
value
his favour
of
by some
this
way.
function. Sine 7 pi over 12. Sine 7 pi over 12. So basically, what I can see here,
Good shot that.
7 pi over 12
He knew he had to get a fairly thick contact with the yellow.
pi over 12.
He's not snooking him, but he's really put this game out in the open again.
4 pi over 12
lots of yellow and green could fancy winning the frame. Because if it's high field, he wins it anyway.
When I reduce it, it's going to be...
I wouldn't like his next shot very much. I think he's in trouble.
This one is going to be pi over 4.
And lots of it as well.
So I can rearrange our first equation like that. Sine pi plus 3.
I'm just wondering here if you could conceivably get the green into play as well. I'm not sure if the blue's in the way of the path towards the green, and then get a snooker behind the
pi over 4 plus
black, pink and blue.
Sine pi over 4 times cosine pi over 3. Sine pi over 3 is root 3 over 2.
Surely he's not left a gap, has he?
Cosine pi over 4 is root 2 over 2. Sine pi over 4 is root 2
he
over 2.
He may have done. There was a bit of daylight there, wasn't there, that we briefly got a glimpse of. So still not much of the yellow, and he's playing, I think, considering playing out of a snooker.
Denominator by denominator is going to be...
But under the cushion there, he can't really play any great swerve, he can't get any spin on the ball.
Root 2 divided by 4. So it's going to be...
No, so you're looking at here.
Plus root 2 divided by 4.
All kinds of trouble, it seems.